Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to update your address on your LinkedIn profile. So you don't have to worry by putting an address onto your profile. It won't be displayed actually on your profile, but it can sometimes help with networking and help you get found, especially in your area if you're looking for a job. So from your home page, you can either click on your profile at the left or at the top. So I'm going to click on view profile, and then I'm going to click on the little pencil icon at the top. From there, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where it says edit contact info. And from there, you should see right at the top an address section. So here's where you can type in your address, wherever that is, and when you're happy, click on save. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.